Hello and welcome to day 5 of 12 days of holiday tapping. Today we're going to manifest some money this holiday season. We're going to connect to that feeling of already being abundant and already in this overflow. We're just going to dive straight into the tapping. So whenever you're ready, let's start tapping right here on the side of the hand. Sometimes I get caught up in scarcity and fear. I love and accept myself anyway. Sometimes I feel like there's not enough abundance for everyone. I love and accept myself anyway. Even though I might be worried about money this holiday season, I trust that everything will be okay. And I'm always guided by my angels. Okay, let's move to the eyebrow point. Maybe I've been focusing too much on lack. I've been caught in the mindset of scarcity. Wondering if I will have enough to give this holiday season. I acknowledge all these feelings and I'm ready to release them. I release the fear of not having enough money. Abundance is not limited. The universe is abundant and generous. I'm freeing myself from lack and scarcity now. Abundance is all around me. All I have to do is see it. I'm open to experiencing an overflow of money this holiday season. Money, love, and blessings flow to me effortlessly. I'm open to receiving a financial miracle this holiday season. Abundance is my natural state. There is always enough money for me. It feels so good to release all this worry, all this scarcity and lack. I'm so grateful for all the abundance already present in my life. I see it everywhere. In my morning cup of coffee or tea. In the cozy Christmas books I get to read. The delicious pies and cookies that I get to eat. Cookie's my cat's name. The friends and family around me. That is all abundance too. I'm open to giving and receiving freely. I trust that the more I give, the more I receive. I'm abundant and I attract financial miracles easily.